cloud looks like.
I think it looks like a... It's elimination time. Today we got 1 vote. Challenge time. I'm too lazy to explain it right now, so I'll let TV do it instead.
Today's challenge is pillow fights. If you get touched by a pillow, you're up for elimination.
Give me a pillow. I can give it to you for a star, or I can just give it to that dead corpse over there. Where am I supposed to get that? I'll take that.
According to my calculations, there will be a 5% chance I will get hit by a pillow.
Oh, that almost hit me. What's that? And that will be the end of this episode. By the way, I put this poster up here because I think you might have forgot. Whatever. Viewers, vote for who you want to eliminate. 4 people will get eliminated next episode. Good luck.